Oosh! What's up, everyone? I'm about ready to unbox some of these Advan RZ-F2s. If you're not familiar with these wheels, I think they're pretty much the coolest off-the-shelf Japanese wheel you can get. Better than Ray's, if you ask me. But according to Advan, these are their first fully forged racing wheel. So it should be a fairly light wheel, and they're pretty freaking expensive. So, and this time I did an unboxing video for my Wed Sports before, but this time I didn't open any boxes prior to filming this, so I'm pretty stoked to see what they look like. Before I jump into it though, if you haven't, check out 29spec.com. You can see my build of my S2000. It's getting really close to being finished. It's a pretty wild build, super light, NA power, time attack type build. Anyway, let's get into this wheel and see how much it weighs and what it looks like. Alrighty, so here it is, 18 by 10, biggest wheels I've ever purchased. Yokohama Advan RZ-F2s, straight from friggin' Japan. Took about 15 weeks, you know, a little over 15 weeks actually. Black Friday deals. Yeah, came in through Los Angeles apparently. Open this via up. So a little background. So I did some comparison. I looked up Ray's ZE40 wheels, 18 by 10. 18 by 10, same bolt pattern. I think they were plus 35, the ones I found online. But I think it was on Subi Speed or something like that. But anyway, thing seems to be packaged pretty well. Anyway, those ZE40s, which is a similar forged wheel to this, weighed 18.95 pounds. I'm hoping these come in a little bit lighter than that, but we'll see. This is my second set of Advan wheels. Just an Advan guy, you know. I don't see what all that raised fuss is about. I'm gonna read that thoroughly later, probably not. Whoa. These are always nice. Looks like it's got some kind of plastic on it. By the way, I should probably mention what. What finish this is. I think it's I forget what they call it. Let me check. Racing titanium black. So much racing. Full race kind of guy, you know. Hopefully you can see all this because I'm not filming it again. That's nice. Little engraving of the forged and whatnot, which is, to be honest, is kind of a raised thing, but you know, it looks good. It's got these side spokes. I don't know if you can see that real well, you know, but it's obviously black, but it's kind of got like a very fine metal flake, and I think the metal flake is kind of a bronze color, so I guess that's where they get the titanium kind of look to it. But something that's unique about the barrel of this wheel, and I don't really know how it's unique, but they said that this barrel, maybe because it dips down more than their traditional wheel, but this barrel was actually made to save as most weight as possible, opposed to clear as big a brakes as possible, which is, I don't need to worry about the big disc clearance because I don't have very big brakes on my car. They're 310 millimeter. the Stop Tech jobbies. Anyway, so I think they said they optimized the barrel for weight opposed to brake clearance. I think you can tell, looking at the back side, you can kind of see this step. So I don't know if that's what they're talking about, but it's got some machining in there. Made in Japan. Yeah, I don't know. Kanata inspector. All right. I don't feel super light, to be honest, but maybe I'm just weak. All right, so I got my scale. See if you can see that. I already kind of zeroed it for the thing, but I'll do it again. Yeah, pretty much exactly what the ZE40s weigh, 18.9 pounds. Cool, I'll take it, I guess. I imagine these are quite stiff. Usually I go for flow-formed cast wheels, but since this car I'm building is kind of extreme, doing the best of everything, making a lot of custom parts, I figured I'd go with the most extreme freaking wheels that Advan makes, so that's them. Follow me on Instagram, 29 Spec. Follow the YouTube if you want. I'm trying to make some videos that people like to actually give you information, not just kind of clickbait. So yeah, 18.9 pounds. Peace and hair grease.